Here are the largest hurricanes in history. Hurricane Katrina, 2005, one of the deadliest hurricanes. It caused catastrophic flooding in New Orleans. Hurricane Irma, 2017, a Category 5 storm. It devastated parts of the Caribbean and Florida. Hurricane Maria, 2017, another Category 5 hurricane. It severely impacted Puerto Rico, causing widespread damage. Galveston Hurricane, 1900, the deadliest hurricane in U.S. history with an estimated 12,000 deaths in Texas. Hurricane Harvey, 2017. Known for its unprecedented rainfall, it caused massive flooding in Texas. What's the most shocking hurricane you've heard of?